Heading back into the fall season can be a busy season, and the best way to ensure that you're getting enough food and have enough food ready is to stop looking at your meals as Instagram worthy and look at your plate in a different way. You want to make sure you have the essentials in your fridge, such as protein, carbs, and fat. Your meal doesn't always have to make sense, you just have to make sure that you have a balanced plate with those essentials.
Meal prep can sometimes be quite a challenging topic or thing to do. And we just want to kind of like make it as simple as possible. So some good things that you can do when you're worried about meals is use your crockpot. You know, it's a great way to throw some ingredients in, pick a recipe, turn it on in the morning, and off you go. If you're already cooking supper, a good way to make sure that you've got extra food is just to cook a little bit more, a couple extra portion sizes that you can use for lunch the next day, which is a great way to take the stress off of wondering what you're going to eat. Something is generally better than nothing, so that's a great thing that you can do to get more food.